Thai days. Today we're going to look at some Thai idioms you might recognise. We come to this small temple next to the klong to have a look at these idioms. Let's have a look. So idioms are a very interesting element of both language and culture, and that's what we're going to look at today, and I hope you find this interesting. I'll try to not mess up the Thai idioms. My Thai's only okay. I'll give it a try, eh? So let's see if you can guess what they mean. Anyway, so the first one in Thai, Ying burn nat duai, dai nok song dua. Translated as, fire one bullet to get two birds. I think you might know this one. Yes, it's kill two birds with one stone. Next idiom is gam na, translated as bow your face. A bit more difficult to guess this one, but in English it means to keep your head down. The meaning is obviously to endure a difficult situation or to work hard. The next one is kam nam kam tale, which means, well, the translation is cross water to cross the ocean. Basically, in English idiom, I would cross an ocean for you. The meaning is like, you know, to fight through obstacles in order to succeed. The next idiom is khao rock khao pang, to enter the bushes or the wilderness. English idiom, in the weeds, which I'm like, because this wat is too small and that wat is locked. I'm going to have to finish this in the market. I know where we'll finish this. Finish this down in Thewet. Okay, so get your comments down below if you can think of any similarities between the English language and the Thai language. They'll be appreciated. Okay, let's walk down into the wet market. We've got the next one. Thai idiom is Kwan Nam Hai Kun, which means stir the water and make it cloudy. Basically muddy the waters, you know, to confuse something. And then we've got the next Thai idiom is Kwam Pung Mi Ku Pradu Mi Da. The walls have ears, the doors have eyes. But you can guess this one. The walls have ears, right? And the next one, Mao Mai Yu Nu Rawang. When the cat is not there, the mice are happy. When the cat's away, the mice are at play. Idioms, which you can see are pretty similar. Well, I hope you found that very interesting. I've got my mask on again because I had to walk through the market. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace, love, unity. See you later. Bye bye.